Hi, if you wanna change screen refresh rate on the Honor Magic 7 Lite, then find and open settings on the phone. Here choose display and brightness, and then scroll down to find this screen tab. And in screen tab you should see screen refresh rate. So just tap it. And now you'll got three options. Dynamic up to 120 Hz to balance smoothness and battery life. Standard, which is 60 Hz to save power, and high up to 120 Hz for highly smooth visuals. But this one uses more power. So if you choose high, then you can manage apps using high refresh rate. For example, I don't want for calculator to use high refresh rate, so I'm gonna disable this one by tapping on the switcher. The same I'm gonna do for calendar, for clock, but Google Chrome I'm gonna enable by tapping on the switcher. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.